Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add name servers in Namecheap. So whether you're pointing your domain to a new hosting provider, setting up custom DNS, or enhancing your domain's performance, managing name servers is a crucial step. So let's walk you through the process. Let us just walk through the process together. First, begin by visiting www.namecheap.com and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in already, navigate to the left-hand sidebar where you have dashboard, expired and expired, domain list, hosting list, private email, down to profile, and now go ahead and click on domain list. Once you click on domain list, it takes you to this window where you can view all your registered domains. I do not have a domain registered, so there's literally nothing to show, but if you do, you will have them here. From your list of domains, locate the domain you wish to update. Have you found it? Now click the manage button next to that domain to access its settings. Once you click on manage, it will take you to the domain management page. Now in the domain management page, scroll down to the name server section. Have you found it? Now click on the drop down menu to view available options. Namecheap offers several options for name servers. Number one, Namecheap Basic DNS. You can use this if you want to manage DNS records within Namecheap. Then you have Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. You can select this if you're using Namecheap's hosting services and you have custom DNS. You can choose this to enter name servers provided by a third-party hosting provider. Now, if you're entering custom name servers, select custom DNS from the drop-down, enter the name servers provided by your hosting provider, click the green check mark to save your changes. Ensure you enter the name servers in the correct format and double check for any typos. Of course, after saving your changes, please note that DNS updates may take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate globally. During this time, your website and email services may experience intermittent connectivity. And that's it. You have successfully updated the name servers for your domain in Namecheap. Managing name servers is essential for directing your domain to the correct hosting services and ensuring optimal performance. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.